Michelle with the Wellness Department, and today I'm going to take you through a mommy and me HIIT workout. So you can do this workout with your little one. We have 2 rounds today, so you're going to do each movement for 45 seconds, as many reps as you can. We're going to rest for 15 seconds, and then we'll do that 2 times through. We have 5 movements today. So we're going to start off with squats. So you can hold your little one as however you want as your weight. We want to push our hips back, keep our chest up tall, and then go down as low as you can. We're going to go put 45 seconds on the clock. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Try to push through your heels. You can hold your little one up in the air if you want. We got 10 more seconds. 2, 1, and rest. So resting for 15. Next we got push-ups. So you can put your little one on the floor. Push-ups, you can give them kisses as you come down. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. If you're working on your knees, totally fine. You want to keep your hips forward, okay? And shoulders in line with your wrists. And we're going in 2, 1, here we go. Try to exhale as you push up. Love it. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hi. Almost there. 2, 1, and rest. Good job. Next movement, we have our lunges. Again, you can hold your little one however you want. Going in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. You want to make sure your front knee tracks over your front ankle. Push off your front leg. Keep your chest up nice and tall. If you feel like more comfortable, you can do a reverse lunge too. Whatever works best for you. Getting in as many reps as you can. Almost there. 2, 1, and rest. Good. Next, we're going to do a press. So you can lay down on the floor, and we're going to press your little one up like a bench press. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Come here, baby. Whoosh. Whoosh. One, and rest. Good job. Our last one we have for this first round are Russian twists. You're going to take your little one and you hold them however you want. You can keep your feet on the floor or you can lift them up, your choice. And we're just moving side to side. 3, 2, 1, here we go. So you're gonna move your little one, touch them down one side, whoosh, and on the other. Again, you can lift your legs up if you want, or keep them down on the floor. We got 10 seconds left. The little one has no idea what's going on. 2, 1, and rest. Nice job, guys. We'll take a 1-minute break, and then we'll do it one more time through. So you guys know the moves. We got squats, push-ups, lunges, press, and a twist. So you can take this time and get yourself situated. Maybe try to think about how if you're gonna modify another move, okay? And we'll go one more time through. We'll get started in 30 seconds. She's a squirmer. All right, we're gonna get going here. One more round through, 45 seconds on, 15 off. Going in 2, 1. Here we go with our squats. Push the butt back, drive through the heels. You can hold your little one however you want. I'm choosing mine to hold her in front, but you can put them, if they're a little bigger, or if they're able to, you can always put them on your shoulders. Or if you have one of those straps, you can always strap them on to your back or to your front. We got 10 seconds here. 2, 1, and rest. Next we got push-ups. Set yourself up for your push-ups. I'm gonna put her flat on her back. If they're a little older and they can stabilize themselves, you can always put them on your back for a little added weight. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Again, if you're on your knees, you can also be on your toes. Nice flat back, hips forward. What'd you do? Have fun with it. Give them kisses on the way down. What's he doing? Good. Keep it up. We got 2 more seconds left. 1, 2, and rest. Good. Lunges are coming up next. So grab them up. Again, hold them however you want. Reverse lunges, you can step back or forward, whatever you feel is best for you. We're going in 2, 1. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and step back because I like the way that feels with her weight in front of me. Again, you want to step back, hips over the knee, and try to drive through your front heel